This is on FM setup.
That's recording right now. Yeah, you can crack your feet around. Dude, that way was so perfect.
Jesus!
Yeah, I drove it out down the break.
Hi, did you do a flip?
Huh? Almost.
Did it? I was watching it through the camera, so I couldn't really see. I wasn't really paying attention. I'm gonna get on camera. Oh! There, he landed on his flag. Was that it? At least you can cut it and edit it. Don't jump it. Hey, don't jump it until you tell me you're going to. Okay? John. Hey, don't jump it until you tell me you're going to go over.
I'm not.
Okay. Does it have reverse on it? Oh, it doesn't? Yeah, I guess the gas ones don't usually have it, though. Yeet! You can jump out. There you go, jump it. Jump it! Jump it! Yeah. Turn it around, Ashton.
Turn it around. Turn it around. Turn it around. It doesn't reverse.
Grab it by the back bumper. Back bumper. Hey, the bumper on the back. You pull up, turn it around. Turn it around. Jesus, Ashton. Well, I didn't want you to get burned on the pipe. Yeah. Oh, shit. Hold on. Oh, I got the sun in my eye. Hold on. Oh! I don't think it's gonna break it. I think it'll keep going. But if you land flat, I would stand on the side of the ramp so you can control how you're gonna land. That's what's gonna break it if you land on the front. If you land flat, I have confidence you're gonna keep going and nothing's happening.